Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through playing Real Racing 3 multiplayer with your friends, whether you want to race them live or challenge their ghosts. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is make sure the game actually knows who your friends are. Since Real Racing 3 doesn't have a simple username search, we need to link a social profile. Open the game and head to the main menu. Tap the Settings gear icon, usually located in the bottom left corner. Look for the option to log in to Facebook or Game Center on iOS. I highly recommend using Facebook for this specific game because it is the most reliable way to sync your friend list across different devices. Once you log in, the game will automatically pull in any of your Facebook friends who also play Real Racing 3. If you want to race against your friends live on the track at the same time, we need to use the Online Multiplayer menu. Go back to the main menu and tap on the Online Multiplayer, or OMP panel. Once you're in the lobby, look for the Invite button on the left-hand side of the screen. A list of your connected friends will pop up. Simply tap the checkboxes next to the friends you want to race. Hit the Send button to shoot them an invite. When they accept, their cars will appear in your lobby. Once everyone is ready, just hit Race Now to launch into a real-time match against them. There's also a second way to play, called Time-Shifted Multiplayer. This is perfect if your friend isn't online right now, but you still want to beat their time. Simply go into the standard Career Mode events. If a friend has already completed a specific race, the game uses TSM to put their car, or their ghost, into your race. You'll see their profile picture above their car. You can race against them, bump them, and try to beat their time even while they're sleeping, and they will get a notification that you beat them later. And that's it. You are now ready to burn rubber with your crew in Real Racing 3. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.